Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have some new advanced tools, but they are very interesting. So let's start. The first tool today is Shaper tool. This tool is very interesting and used for making shapes by your freehand drawing, and the program will recognize it. It's so fast, more than drawing shapes, only one from the shape tool like this. For example, I will make an square or rectangle, circle, ellipse, triangle, polygon. Also, I can make a different things by this tool, like this. If I have two ellipses, like this, I can draw anything to delete this part. And now I can make a different shapes, like this. Now I will drawing this photo very fast by Shaper tool. Let's start. First I will make a rectangle and another one here, and another one here. Now I will delete this part and two circles here. I finish. The second tool today with us, the smooth tool. This tool is used for smoothing the sharp shapes like this. I have an letter like this. I will create outlines to convert it to a shape, and now select it and choose smooth tool, and now I will draw like this quickly to smooth it, like this. Now I make this more smooth. The third tool is Path Eraser tool. This tool is used to cut in a path. If I make a path like from a pencil tool like this, and increase the stroke and go to Path Eraser tool, I can cut on it like this. The first tool today with us is Join tool. This tool is used for connecting lines in Adobe Illustrator. Like this, if I have an and another one here, and again one here, I can use Join tool, select all shapes and use Join tool to connected lines. Like this. and again like this, and finish it. The last tool today with us is the knife. This tool actually look like a real knife, and this tool is used for cutting any shapes like this. I can draw any line to make a cut. Now I have two shapes. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.